County until 1 a.m. At 12:34 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Leroy, or 16 miles southeast of Bloomington, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Farmer City around 12:50 a.m. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 149 and 164. Severe thunderstorm watch number